Can you believe that today, if you order a Rubicon model, it's still gonna come standard with halogen lights? Well, we're gonna replace all the lights with LEDs, and today, we're starting with the fogs. For this video, we're gonna go with a set of the new Diode Dynamics Elite Series fog lights. These lights are an OEM type, road legal, high performance fog light, and they're engineered to put out a wide and intense light beam. Now these are plug and play. There's no special mods needed. So of course, that makes for a quick and easy installation. They're constructed with a cast aluminum body, a UV coated lens, and they feature a copper core circuit board. Now these fog lights, they're designed for maximum performance in an OEM size package. And yes, the install is an easy one, bolting right into the factory location in your Jeep. To install our new fog lights, we need to access the old fog lights. And on our plastic Rubicon bumper, we need to remove this back panel. And there's 6 push pins that we need to pop out. You're gonna take a screwdriver and just wedge it in there, and you can pop that center pin up and out. Sometimes it's easier said than done. Whoa, there it goes. And now your body comes out. With the pins out, that panel comes off. Now we can reach up in the back and unplug the wiring harness. Then we can grab a 7mm socket and pull our mounting screws. And there's our factory fog light. Now we're gonna grab one of our new fog lights, slip it over the pins, and it goes right into the factory position. And reuse the factory hardware. For our wire harness, we can plug the main harness into the light. Now this short lead here, that's gonna go right to the factory fog light harness. This longer lead here, this is for the backlight function of the Elite Series fog light. And you can run this up to switched power or to a power distribution center. And we have one coming for this Jeep, so we're not gonna worry about it yet. The OE harness plugs into the new fogs, and you are ready to aim your new fog lights. Now you're gonna start out by parking your Jeep on a level surface, and you wanna be back 25 feet from a wall. Then measure the distance from the ground to the center of your fog light. Now you're gonna wanna mark that fog light height on the wall with a piece of tape. Then measure down 4 inches and place another piece of tape on the wall. This is your fog beam cutoff line. Use the vertical screw on the back of the light to adjust your beam up or down so that the top of the beam is right there at that cutoff mark. Then reinstall your back covers and the push pins, and you are ready for that inclement weather. The Diode Dynamic Elite Series fog lights are available both in a white light and a traditional yellow fog. And some people favor that yellow light, others don't. It really is a matter of personal choice. Now, as far as the tech behind yellow versus white fog lights, well, a white light has more light output. However, it also has more of the shorter blue and violet wavelengths of light, and those will tend to create a glare effect when it reflects off of fog, rain, snow, and sometimes even dust. Now on the other hand, a yellow light will help filter out that blue light effect, reducing the glare. But that comes at a cost of reduced light output. And one more thing is that the yellow light is also easier on the eyes, especially as you get older. And well, it really is a personal choice. More glare with more light output or reduced glare with less light output. That's up to you. Now these Elite Series fogs, they're brand new for spring of 2022. To get a set for your Jeep JL, JT, JK, or even the new Bronco, well, hit that link down in the description box below and get a set on the way. And then while you're down there, help us beat that YouTube algorithm. And you need to do that by hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button if you're not already, and then hit that little notification bell. The more subscribers we get, the more of these videos we can make. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.